Hello, cloud enthusiasts. Today we have a very sensational topic to discuss. It is about ChatGPT, an exciting new conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. We will explore what it is and how it works. Let's first understand what it is. The script I'm about to read was actually produced by ChatGPT when I asked the following question: write original script for describing ChatGPT. And the response is, ChatGPT is the cutting-edge language processing AI. With ChatGPT, you can have natural, intuitive conversations with a virtual assistant. Whether you need help with a task, want to learn more about a topic, or simply want someone to talk to, ChatGPT is here to help. Powered by the latest advancements in natural language processing, ChatGPT is able to understand and respond to your questions and statements that feels like talking to a real person. And because ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving, responses will only get better over time. This shows that the machine learning technology that enables this type of application is the natural language processing domain. Realizing the above explanation may be complicated for non-technical viewers to understand, I asked ChatGPT a follow-up question. How do I explain ChatGPT to a 5-year-old? And this is what it replied back. ChatGPT is a special computer program that is like a friend who can understand and talk to you. ChatGPT uses special technology to understand what you say and respond in a way that makes sense. You can ask ChatGPT anything you want, and it will do its best to help you or just have a conversation with you. It's a fun and interesting way to learn and talk to someone without them being in the same room as you. The amazing thing is that it creates this content on the fly, based on the context of your questions. If I check this content for plagiarism, I will find minimal overlap. Now let's try the same question in Google. Not surprisingly, Google shows me what other websites have the content I am searching for and suggests those websites. It is on my end to go through each website, read the content, and see if it is related to what I am looking for. What ChatGPT can do is simply amazing. In the follow-up video, I will show you what's the technology behind this incredible product and how it works. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.